on the track, on my face in the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Educomania. In our last lecture, we have seen all the basic concept of integration. Now in this lecture, we will solve some integration questions that will help you to understand how we can implement those concepts that we have studied in our last lecture. So we take the first example. First example is that we have to find the integration of x to the power minus 5 by 4 dx. So we have studied in our last lecture the property number first. If a constant term is in the power of a variable, how we can solve that? We will simply add 1 and divide that number. So we will simply find x to the power minus 5 by 4. So it will become x to the power minus 5 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 5 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So it becomes x to the power plus 5 minus 4 minus 1 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 4 plus c. So the final answer becomes minus 4 x to the power minus 1 by 4 plus c. This is the first question. Second, we said we have to find the integration of 1 by 4 square root of x cube dx. We have to find the integration of this function. How we can solve this? We can write this 1 by x to the power, it becomes in power of denominator, means it becomes 3 by 4 dx. Now similarly, when this term goes into numerator, the minus term comes in power, it becomes minus 3 by 4 dx. Similarly, we will solve as we have done in the last question. So now it becomes x to the power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 dx. So the final answer becomes minus 3 plus 4, 1 by 4 means 4, x to the power 1 by 4 plus c. This is the answer of question number second. Now question number third. Question number third says you have to find the integration of this term 1 plus x to the power q divided by the square root of x. Simply we will solve this, expand this formula, a plus b ka whole cube becomes a cube plus b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square divided by x to the power 1 by 2. We can write that. Okay. Now we will simply divide all those terms and separate that. Means we are talking about the property number second and first. First is the constant term, we will take it out, and if there are more than one functions, then we can simply separate that and we will apply the same operations between those integrations. So simply we will divide that 1 divided by, okay, firstly we will write 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 plus x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3x divided by x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3x square divided by x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Now we can write this x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 2, because x to the power m divided by x to the power n, it becomes x to the power m minus n. If the base is same, power is different, and these are in division, the power becomes subtracted. So 3 minus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, it becomes 5 by 2. So simply we will write x to the power 5 by 2 plus constant term we will take it out into x to the power 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2, it becomes x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 x to the power 2 minus 1 by 2, it becomes 3 by 2. So it becomes x to the power 3 by 2 dx. You can write directly or you can write all the constant term individually. So it's a starting period, so I will write all the question directly, but in upcoming videos we will solve directly to all the questions. So simply we will write x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx plus integration of x to the power 5 by 2 dx plus constant term we will take it out, integration of x to the power 1 by 2 dx plus 3 integration of x to the power 3 by 2 dx. Now we will solve this. X to the power constant term x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. X to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus constant term separately plus x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c, where c is a constant. So now we will solve to all the terms. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and it goes to the numerator, it becomes 2 x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 1 7 by 2 means it becomes 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 1 5 by 2 means 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c. So the final answer becomes 2x to the power 1 by 2 plus 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says you have to find the integration of 10x plus cot x whole square dx. Firstly, what we will do, we will apply the formula a plus b whole square. It becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab dx. We have done this. Now 10 square x we can write sec square x minus 1 plus cot square x written as cosec square x minus 1 plus 10x into cot x. 10x into cot x is 1 because 2 into 1 dx. 10x equal to 1 by cot x. So 10x into cot x equal to 1. So here only for this term I will write 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So plus 2 minus 1, this term got cancelled. This term got cancelled because minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 1, 2 got cancelled. So we have left with sec square x dx plus cosec square x dx. We have separated these two terms. Now sec square x, now you can see this sec square x dx equal to 10x. Okay, so simply from this expression we can write 10x plus cosec square x dx, we have read that minus cot x. So it becomes plus minus minus cot x plus c, where c is a constant term, or it is called the integration constant of integration or integration constant. Constant of integration, basically known as the constant of integration. So we have done the question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says you have to find the integration of x cube plus 8 into x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4 dx. You have to find the integration of this. So how we can solve this? Firstly, here we can write x cube plus, we can write 8 as 2 to the power cube. All the term will be same, means x square minus 2x plus 4 dx. So we will apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, it becomes a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So simply we will write, replace a is x, b is 2. Simply we will write x plus 2, a square means x square, minus ab means minus 2x, plus b square means 2 square 4, and other term becomes similar, x square minus 2x plus 4. here is a dx. Now we can see that these all terms multiplication divided by that term. This term got cancelled. We will left with x plus 2 x minus 1 dx. Now we have to find the integration of this term. Simply we will multiply first x into x square, x into minus 1, x into minus 1 is minus x, 2 into x is plus 2x minus 2 dx. It becomes x square plus x minus 2 dx. Now it becomes very easy for us to solve. Now we can write this like, we can write directly, not we are separating to all the terms, directly x to the power 2 means x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus x to the power 1, x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus constant term 2, nothing. When we have nothing in integrand like this here, what we will write? We write directly x. So we will write 2 into x plus c. Here the c is the constant of integration. So final answer becomes x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 minus 2x plus c. This is the final answer of question number 5. Now I hope you all are getting what I am going to say. So this is the last question of today's lecture, and this is very important, and after solving this question your most of the concept will be clear. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me in my comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Now the question says that if differentiation of this function is 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power 4 such that f of 2 equal to 0. Mainly when you get a term like this term basically give you to find the value of that constant that we are assuming means c. Now they say you have to find the f of x. Now you can see that in a starting of our basic lecture we see that when integration and differentiation comes together they cancel each other, and we will simply get the value of f of x. We says that. Similarly here you can see that differentiation of fx is given, so, and we have to find the fx. So simply what we will do, like we have what is given that d by dx means differentiation of fx is equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power 4. So to finding the value of fx we will take the integration to both the sides. When we take the integration to both sides, simply term will come like this, integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power 4 dx. When integration and differentiation comes together they cancel each other, simply we will have f of x equal to, now we will have to find the integration of this term. So simply here constant term we will take it out, right, x cube dx. We have separating these two terms, constant term we will take it out, 1 by x to the power 4 means we can write x to the power minus 4. Any doubt? No. Okay. F of x becomes 4 into x to the power 3 becomes x to the power 3 plus 1 4 divided by 3 plus 1 means 4 minus 3 x to the power minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 divided by minus 3. So it get cancelled, minus minus becomes plus. So f of x and constant term, obviously we will write a constant term, the f x becomes x to the power 4 plus x to the power minus 3 plus c. Okay, suppose this is the equation number 1. We have always a condition like this, f of 2 equal to 0. We have given f of 2 equal to 0 means when we put the value of x is 2 we get a value 0. So put the value, put x equal to 2 in equation 1. What we have, f of 2 means 0 equal to 2 to the power 4 16 plus 2 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 8 plus c. So it becomes 0 equal to 128 plus 1 plus 8c equal to 8. Now we have to find the value of this constant term, means 8c becomes minus 129, therefore c equal to minus 129 by 8. We got the value of c. Now put this value of c in equation 1. Hence f of x becomes x to the power 4 plus x to the power minus 3, and the constant term that we have derived right now, that is minus 129 by 8. So this is the final answer of this question. So we have solved all to 6 questions, and these questions will help you to understand all the implementation of these concepts. Most of the term we have covered. In our next video we will see some extra concepts and questions according to that concepts. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.